Hi guys, welcome to Tito's Tutor, your math pedagogue. In today's video, we're continuing with our common entrance past questions series. And our first question for today is, find the value of 2.15 meter in centimeters. So whenever you see a conversion question, metric conversion question, the first thing you ask yourself is, what unit was given to me? In this case, meters was what was given to me, and I'm converting to centimeter. Then you ask yourself, which unit is bigger, meters or centimeter? In this case, centimeter is smaller, meters is bigger. So I am converting to a smaller unit. Whenever I'm converting to a smaller unit, I always multiply. So now you know you're going to multiply. But what will you multiply with? You're going to multiply with the metric conversion of centimeter to meter, which is 100 centimeter make 1 meter. So that's what we're going to multiply with. 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter, and 2.15 meter was given to me. I'm going to a smaller unit, so I'll multiply by 100. 100 times 2.15. This is going to give you your answer in centimeter. Okay, so anytime you're multiplying by 1 and zeros, you move your decimal point to the right by the number of zeros. Here we have 2 zeros. So this decimal point is going to move 1, 2. This is my new decimal point place. So I have 215 centimeter is the same as 2.15 meter. And I am done. Question 2. Write 0.034527 to 3 significant figures. Remember that when zeros begin a number, it isn't a significant figure. It's only significant when it's in between numbers and at the end of numbers. So in this case, there are 2 zeros that starts this number. They are both not significant. So this is the first significant figure, second significant figure, third significant figure where we are going to. So I'm going to rewrite the number 0.034527. I'm going to rewrite this to 3 significant figure. This is my third significant figure. So I'll look at the number in front of it. Is it up to 5? If it is, I add 1 to this. If it isn't, I leave it the way it is. And all the others turn into 0. So 2 is not up to 5. So I'm going to leave this 5 just the way it is. So my answer becomes 0.0345. The 2 becomes 0. The 7 becomes 0. But remember, zeros after that ends a decimal point are not necessary. So my final answer becomes 0.0345, and I am done. Here's our third question. It says, the volume of a cuboid is 480 cm square. Its breadth and height are 8 cm and 6 cm respectively. Find the length. The first thing you do is write down the formula for calculating volume of a cuboid. Let V be volume, and the formula is length times breadth times height. We know the breadth to be 8 cm. We know the height to be 6 cm. We do not know the length, but we know the volume to be 480. So we have substituted all the information given to us in the question. Now it's time to solve for the unknown, which is L. So let's simplify. 480 is equal to L times 8 times 6 is 48. So we bring this 48 to the other side, it becomes division. So we have 480 divided by 48 is equal to L. And 480 divided by 48 is 10. So our final answer is 10 cm is equal to L. And we are done. Here's our fourth question for today. A trader sold a pair of shoes for 2,100 naira at a loss of 250 naira. Find the cost price of the shoe. Remember that when you make a loss, that means the amount you bought it is always more than the amount you sold it. So it is to add your cost price and your loss together, it gives you cost price. Okay, so all you need to do in this case is selling price plus loss is equal to cost price. That's it. So he sold it for 2,100 and he made a loss of 250. So his cost price is going to be equal to, in naira, 2,350. And you are done. Easy. Okay, so here is the last question for this video, and it says, today is Tuesday, 6th April. On which day is 17 days from today? Remember that we have 7 days in a week. And when you're asked on which day, that means the day of the week. Okay, if today is 6th and it's Tuesday, so you do multiples of 7. So in 7 days from today, it will be another Tuesday. In 14 days from today, it will be another Tuesday. 7 is farther than 17, while 14 is closer to 17. So all you need to do is count in sevens and get a multiple of 7 that is closer to 17. So you can just count the remaining days, because multiples of 7 will be Tuesdays all the time. Okay, so let's go. 14 days from today, it will be a Tuesday. 15 days from today, it will be a Wednesday. 16 days from today, it will be a Thursday. And the question they're asking us, which is the 17 days from today, it will be a Friday. So our final answer is Friday. 17 days from Tuesday the 6th will be on a Friday. And you are done. If you enjoyed this video and you learned a lot from it, please don't forget to subscribe, like my video, share with anyone you think is preparing for common entrance, and turn on notification so you don't miss any math video from me. Thank you.